Hello guys, so today I have the PS4 controller in my hands. I bought it on a flea market and it is in pretty bad condition, so it lacks one of its buttons, one of the sticks doesn't work. You see what happened, it just stuck. Another one works and the touch panel also I can't hear the click sound. So I would like to repair it. I hope I can repair it, so I will open it and let's see what's happened inside. I think it's pretty old controller, but its case in pretty good condition. But the controller is itself in a bad condition. It's a pity that some of users of PS4 prefers to put it in a trash can instead of repairing. I think it's not so difficult, so complicated, because this is common process. The PS4 controllers are common and you can find information about how to repair it everywhere. So I think it's never opened because I see it. Believe me, it was never opened. So let's open it now. I think that someone just threw it to a wall. I don't know why. Maybe something. Okay. So as I see, all good with this part. So let's put it inside. Put it here. Yes. The plastic window in a bad condition. I have a replacement. Battery in a good condition, as I see. So let's put it. Okay. So now we have a problem with gyroscopes, with these two things, but I have a replacement. Okay, so nothing criminal. Let's see what's more. Okay. So the plastic everywhere. So let's see what's happened with this part. Okay, so it's oxidized. I think it doesn't work, the thing. So this stick is completely broken. And this one is not. Ah, yes, it's also broken.